Hi guys, welcome to my new vlog. So today I'm going to Mount Cook and from there 15 minutes drive to Tasman Lake as well. These lakes are basically famous for their glacier, and it's what I have seen in videos and photos is just like a heaven. So let's go and explore the place. So right now I have taken a halt, and you can see behind me it's Lake Pukaki scenic point, and this was amazing in the morning when the sun is coming from behind the mountains and the sky is looking a little bit orangish. I will show you the whole lake now. So this is all Lake Pukaki. And in the center of that, I don't know you can see or not, from behind the mountain the sun is coming and the sky is orangish, so it's looking amazing, like snow on the mountains and the lake. So now we are heading towards Mount Cook, so I will see you at Lake Hooker car park. So finally we reached at Mount Cook parking, which is the Mueller Lake parking, and now we can start trek from here. So I think it's 1 hour trek from here, so we'll see how much time it will take. I will show you in between the views of the mountains and as well as the snow. This trek is not that steep, it's almost plain only, and those who are not a pro hiker, they can easily do this trek. And once you reach your destination, that is Hooker Lake, so all your stress will go off after reaching there. So here we're going down, and the first swing bridge will come. That's basically a creek going to Mueller Lake. I will show you the Mueller Lake in the photos which I have taken. So this is the first swing bridge which we have to cross. So this is the second swing bridge we reached. So we have one more to go. Total 3 swing bridges. This is the second one, and then we will reach to the third one after this, and you can enjoy the view. now finally we are reaching to the third bridge, and I think so after that the Hooker Lake is not that much far away. So let's see after this bridge how much time left to reach Lake Hooker. I think the trek is not difficult, anybody can do, but people with disability, there's no options for that. So here is the third bridge, and it's too windy here that the bridge is also swinging very fast, as well as I'm also not stable. So this is the third bridge which I crossed. Now see how much time it will take to reach Hooker Lake, and we carry forward the trek. So you can see the view. This is Lake Hooker. We already reached here. Now we go down more and see. There are some points. There are some tables made here so that you can sit and relax, and if you have some snacks and all, you can enjoy it here. So when you're going down, so there are some hazards as well, so I just want you to know this, so you can read that. So I'll go down now. You can see the amazing beauty, and we have some iceberg zones also. So the lake you are looking behind me is the Hooker Lake, and you can see the glaciers which melts down and came in the lake, and you can see the small icebergs here in the lake. I will show you some more icebergs in the lake. So this was the beautiful heaven. Now I will go up there where the chair tables are there, and I will sit and eat something there, and after that we'll go to Tasman Lake. So let's meet up there on the table. So finally we reached to the parking. Now I will get little fresh, and then we'll move to Tasman Lake. Tasman Lake is only 15 minutes from here, right? And then again 15 minutes trek. So let's see how will be that. So finally I'm going on a trek of Tasman Lake. So after the toilets you get two ways basically from the parking. The right side goes to river till down, and the left one goes to till the glacier view. Glacier view is just 15 minutes walk, but the right side which goes down to the river is 25 minutes walk. So I will suggest you to do both the things. So finally we reach Lake Tasman, and you can see behind me the Lake Tasman with the icebergs floating in that. It's really looking amazing. It's like a heaven here. Let's go down and see more. So finally I will be moving back from here as it's getting more hotter today because it's a sunny day. So let's go. So it was a very nice experience going for a trek at Mueller Lake and Tasman. So you can do both together because it's very nearby. Just 20 minutes drive from Mueller Valley car park to Tasman Glacier car park. So we reach back in the parking. So we'll end the vlog here and we'll come up with a new video. Till then, thank you. Take care. Bye bye.